how to do ballet side leg raises. You're going to start these by moving into a bit of a curtsy squat to the side, coming back, and then with force, you're bringing your leg up out to the side, kicking up as high as you can, while still maintaining your hips forward and chest lifted. So this movement goes fairly quick. You're going to step back, arms come down in front, chest is lifted, and you're kicking up and out to the side. So not everyone's going to be able to kick up quite that high. It really depends on your flexibility. I just want you lifting your leg as high as you can. So if you're here, it doesn't have to come all the way up to your hand. If you can, try to lift all the way nice and tall, okay? And again, you're gonna do it on the other side. The leg is not stepping way back behind. It's more just curtsying to the side. So coming down, out and lift, down and lift, okay? So those are ballet